Thank you so much, Tulasizwe. Well, let's start off with a quick check of our satellite imagery, and it's stormy this afternoon over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Some big thunderstorms have popped up over these eastern parts at the moment, and this is an image that was taken as those storms were just starting to get going over that escarpment area close to Hazyview in Mpumalanga. This was a couple of hours ago. That thunderstorm moved northwards towards the Graskop area, and where we've had reports of hail as well as some damage due to strong winds in the area. We can see a downed tree across the road. This is very recent. This has happened in the last hour or so. So we're going to keep a close eye on these parts over the next couple of hours. So for tonight, thunder showers still possible in that northeastern corner of the country, while in KwaZulu-Natal we're starting to see some rain push into this area. Light rain or drizzle possible over much of that province during the course of this evening and into the early parts of tomorrow. But as we can see, the area of highest probability of rainfall is in the northern and far eastern parts of that province. So this is what we're going to see for the rest of today. Thunder showers in the northeastern parts, but the rain pushing in along the escarpment areas overnight. So towards Mpumalanga and Limpopo's eastern mountains, we're actually going to see a bit of rain after the thunderstorm activity and into the early parts of tomorrow morning. And then for tomorrow afternoon, a cold front will be brushing to the south of the country. That will bring a bit of cloud in towards Cape Town. Windy weather for Port Elizabeth, and then later on in the day, thunderstorms returning to Limpopo and Mpumalanga, but otherwise a generally sunny and dry day for the country. In terms of winds, we have moderate wind conditions over South Africa, but then as we head into tomorrow, we're going to see winds picking up along the southern coastline with that cold front brushing along that south coast, so bringing wind speeds of between 25 and 35 kilometers per hour, especially for PE and the Cape St. Francis area, and then over the adjacent interior it becomes gusty as well. These are your minimum temperatures as we head into the early parts of tomorrow, and it's going to be a fairly cool night for the central, western and southern parts of the country, but it stays warm in the far northern and eastern parts where some places will manage to stay above 20. And then for tomorrow afternoon, very hot in the northern parts of South Africa. KwaZulu-Natal heating up with temperatures bouncing back into the 30s. And it's going to be a warm day in the south as well. George, 26 PE with a high of 25 degrees. Durban this evening can expect a bit of rain. That will be light to moderate rain at times, but winds not too bad at 15 kilometers per hour and an overnight low of 21 degrees. And then heading into tomorrow, we're going to have partly cloudy skies and a maximum temperature of 30 degrees and no rain expected in the East Coast city. And then looking further ahead, we're going to see things staying dry for tomorrow, but then thunder showers as we head into Friday, and then over the weekend we will have a little bit of rain returning to the city. Friday brings showers and storms to the eastern parts of the country, while there will be some light rain along the southern coastline. And then for the start of your weekend, we're going to have rain once again towards the southern parts, dry and very hot into Gauteng, similar for the Free State, as those temperatures will be climbing into the mid-30s for the start of your weekend. That's it from the Weather Centre. Join Candice later for another update.